Surface tension of water in contact with air at 20 degrees Celsius is given as 0.0716 Newton per meter. The pressure inside a droplet of water is to be 0.0147 Newton per centimeter square greater than the outside pressure. Calculate the diameter of the droplet of water. So what is given in this question? Temperature that is given, that is 20 degrees Celsius. Surface tension that is given 0.0716 Newton per meter. Delta P that is equal to 0.0147 Newton per centimeter square. You have to find out the value of diameter of the diameter. Calculate the diameter of the droplet. So for droplet, we know that delta P that is equal to 4 sigma by diameter. Okay, so from here D that is equal to 4 sigma by delta P. So just put the value 4 sigma, 4 into what is the value of sigma, that is 0.0716, and delta P that is equal to 0.0147 into 10 to the power 4. So to convert it into Newton per centimeter square, 0.0147 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square. Okay, so that's why you have to multiply into 10 to the power 4. So if you want to calculate this value, so this value will be so 4 into 0.0716 divided by 0.0147 into 10 to the power 4. So the value will be 0.00194 meter. So this value will be 1.94 mm. So the answer will be the diameter of the droplet that is equal to 1.94 millimeter.